May 2024 highlights. Shalamar Medical and Dental College ranked first among all medical colleges, public and private, affiliated with the University of Health Sciences. International Nurses Day at Shalamar Hospital. International Nurses Day at Shalamar Nursing College. Second Emergency Neonatal and Obstetrics Care course at Shalamar Hospital. Surgical Safety Checklist Workshop. Asthma Awareness Walk. World Lupus Day Walk to raise awareness, promote education, and support research for lupus. Hypertension Walk to educate the community about the dangers of high blood pressure and how to keep it under control. Summer Fiesta kicked off at Shalamar Institute of Health Sciences. Blood donation drive in partnership with Sundus Foundation in support of Thalassemia-Free Pakistan. A workshop on patient safety culture in nursing, a dimensional concept, was hosted by Shalamar Nursing College. Integrating Artificial Intelligence into Nursing Practice workshop at Shalamar Nursing College. Session on current challenges of nursing ethical practice at Shalamar Nursing College. Workshop on professional CV writing at Shalamar Nursing College. From Discovery to Therapy, Radiation Science in Healthcare workshop at Shalamar School of Allied Health Sciences. Doctor of Physical Therapy students smashed their way into the table tennis semifinals at First Chief Minister Punjab Pink Games. Assistant Professor Dr. Masuma Gul from Shalamar School of Allied Health Sciences won a Grand Shield at the
खुद को पहचानो
by Green Star Marketing. Workshop on Synopsis Writing and Introduction to EndNote at Shalamar School of Allied Health Sciences. Students of Shalamar School of Allied Health Sciences brought home top honors at the recent declamation competition hosted by the Literary Society of Shalamar Institute of Health Sciences. Workshop on Writing and Publishing Quality Bibliometric Research Articles